Hello there, welcome to Pasteology by Vimal. We are not baking anything today, but don't go away, we are doing something really exciting. I'm supposed to soak some dry fruits for Christmas, then I thought why don't we do it together so that you can also join me for making some Christmas bread. So let me show you all the dry fruits, what I'm going to soak today. 125 grams of golden raisins, 125 grams of blackcurrants, 200 grams of chopped dry figs, 150 grams of chopped dry prunes, 200 grams of candied papaya or tutti frutti, 100 grams of candied orange peel and 100 grams of candied lemon peel, and 250 grams of glazed cherries. Let's start soaking the dry fruits. I'm not adding any spices in this because some of my recipe have different amount of spices, so I'm not adding it. If you want, you can add ginger, cinnamon and nutmeg powder. Even you can add some 5 spices into it. Alright, let's start soaking it now. Now let's add 400 grams of alcohol into it. I use dark rum for this recipe. You can even use brandy if you wish to do so. Don't feel shy to add slightly more if you want, because once you bake the cake, alcohol gets evaporated and only flavor remains. So let's give a good mix. So that's it guys, the fruit mixing is done. As I said, I'm not adding any spices into this. I will be adding the spices when I'm making the Christmas cake or bread. If you wish, you can add some ginger powder, cinnamon, nutmeg and 5 spice into it. So now let's transfer this into a airtight container and be patient. Don't keep opening it every week and see whether it is ready or not. We'll do it together when the time comes. Okay, so we'll be doing some Christmas cake, German Stollen and some Christmas cookies and many more. So stay tuned and I'll see you all in the next video.